Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Excel 2016 Plus or Excel 365 with Power Query. You need the target URL or API endpoint and any query parameters. Get a sample response. Once done, open Excel, go to Data, choose Get Data and select from Web for HTML/JSON or from text/CSV when you have a direct link. Make sure to pick the correct data format. This determines whether Power Query will parse tables automatically, or you need to transform JSON into rows. You now transform and parse the incoming data in Power Query Editor. For HTML tables, select the correct table and preview. For JSON, expand records and convert nested lists into tables so rows represent records. Once expanded, rename and promote headers and change data types. This reduces later errors. If the site or API uses pagination, create a parameterized query or function that loops pages and then append results. Alternatively, save paginated files and combine using combine files. You finish by loading and automating. Close and load to a table, pivot table, or connection only. Enable refresh on open or set a scheduled refresh. For repeatable imports, parameterize the query and use Power Automate or VBA to trigger refreshes. If things go wrong, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Verify the HTTP response and headers to ensure you're not hitting rate limits or being blocked. Then check data types and promote headers again. If errors persist, simplify the source and reapply transforms.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.